We associate certain software applications with being able to produce quality rendered outputs, but did you know you can do this inside of AutoCAD? AutoCAD allows civil and structural engineers to bring their designs to life by taking advantage of the materials library accompanying the installation of the application. The materials library ranges from glossy finishes used for interior design projects to grass and concrete finishes suitable for civil and structural elements. Users can access the materials library by typing materials into the command line. Although AutoCAD comes with an extensive range of materials, users aren't limited to just these and can create their own using colours, textures, and images. An easy way of applying materials to objects is by applying the material to a layer using the Material Attach command. Here, users can simply drag and drop the material they've imported into the drawing to the relevant layer. Once applied, you can see the object contains a more realistic representation of the actual product. The model can then be rendered to the required quality stipulated by the user. Post-rendering, the finished image can be exported for use inside other applications such as inserted into a document or inserted back into an AutoCAD layout for presentation inside of a drawing. Rendered outputs combined with Autodesk materials allows users to really communicate their design simplistically to non-technical stakeholders using only AutoCAD.